In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PAN number in Zoho Invoice. Navigating through invoicing software can sometimes be a bit perplexing, but I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you have it all set up seamlessly. Adding a PAN number is crucial for maintaining accurate and compliant billing records, especially if you're doing business in places where it's a regulatory requirement. To kick things off, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Zoho Invoice dashboard. Look for the Invoices section and click on it. Now, you'll have the option to create a new invoice or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click on New Invoice. And if you're updating an existing record, just locate it from your list and open it up. Once you're in the invoice template, it's time to enter the necessary customer details. This includes the customer's name, address, and any other relevant information their invoice might require. You'll also need to move on to the next section where you list the items purchased. This involves adding products or services your customer is being billed for. Be sure to fill in all the fields such as descriptions, quantities, and rates. Accuracy here is key to ensure both parties have a clear understanding of the invoiced amount. Next, direct your attention to the item table. Here, you'll find a section where you need to select the tax applicable to these items. Click on the drop-down menu that's visible in this area. In this drop-down, you should see a list of different tax options. What you need to do here is select the option for PAN. This step ensures that the PAN details are appropriately tied to the transaction. Remember, applying the PAN number accurately is essential for remaining compliant with local tax regulations. Once you have chosen PAN from the drop-down, take a moment to review all the details on your invoice. It's always a good practice to double-check for any errors or omissions. After you're certain everything is in place, you can decide how you would like to proceed. You can either save your invoice as a draft if you need to return to it later for any adjustments, or click on Save and Send if you're ready to communicate it to your client. This latter option will send the invoice directly to your client, ensuring a swift and professional transaction experience. And there you have it. That's how you add a PAN number in Zoho Invoice. Following these steps will help keep your invoices well organized and ensure you're on track with necessary compliance requirements. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Happy invoicing!